Hi guys, welcome back and Happy New Year. This is Lisa and this is Lisa's Home Creations. I hope you all had a wonderful holiday and I wish you all a very happy new year. In today's video, I would like to show you the house all put back together after taking down all of the Christmas decor. So let's go have a look. We've got the living room all put back together. Everything all neat and tidy. All the Christmas decor has been put away. It's a nice way to start the new year. The dining room is all put back together. Everything back in its place. It feels good. The kitchen has been reset. All Christmas decor has been taken down and everything now back in its place. Ready to start the new year fresh. The landing is all back to normal and everything is in its original place. Everything looks neat and tidy and ready for a new year. The living room is all cleaned up from the Christmas decor and everything's put back in its normal space. The bathroom has been taken down from all of the Christmas decor. And I wanted to share with you what I wanted to do in here. All the Christmas decor is gone and everything is back in its normal space. About a year ago, I put this wallpaper on the wall. I don't think it'll pick up, but on this side, it's darker and a little brown behind the white. On this side, it's whiter. And I want to take it down and start all over and do a DIY in here. That is what I'm going to work on next. The guest room is all back to normal. Everything is cleaned up and tidied in here. It feels good to have your house back after all of the Christmas decor has been taken down. I wanted to share a few things that I got for Christmas. I got these beautiful glass domes that light up at night. These are so pretty and they're purchased at Costco. I think they're amazing. And I got this beautiful candle. It's about 10 inches tall. It's so big and it smells so good. It's sand and fog, inspired on the California coast. It will definitely last a long time. Also purchased at Costco. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching today, and I wish you all a very happy new year. Please join me next Sunday for a new video. Please like and subscribe. Take care of yourself. See you next time.